Next Level Mindset, bringing you another powerful and positive video. I want to share with you how to get your first 50,000 views right here on YouTube. Stay with me, watch this all the way through. I'm going to share my own experience, things that have worked for me, tips, extra strategies, PowerPoints you do not want to miss. What's coming up? Let's get into it. If you're watching this, you're probably someone who's on YouTube. Maybe you just started. You may have had your channel going on for a while. I did a relaunch on my channel and I reached what YouTube calls a milestone. My channel just celebrated 50,000 views. So I want to share with you what I've been doing over my channel, things that I've been doing, even on the next level mindset status. You can do this with me. I like to encourage myself that no matter where I am, no matter how small I may be, no matter what your size is, you can have a major impact on those around you. Be encouraged and know we're in this together. We can do this. The first thing that has helped me is to make a thumbnail that pops. We have to learn how to get that click. The thumbnail is the first thing that shows up as an impression on your videos. YouTube will automatically use 2 or 3 in the back office if you look under your editing. Always upload you a thumbnail that is epic, a thumbnail that is pop. That's how you're going to get those views. Your thumbnail is the first thing that people see. When YouTube shows what they call an impression, you want that thumbnail combined with your title, your topic, with your description to get people the opportunity to grab their interest. So that's the very first thing to get the views. Gotta get the click. Make a thumbnail that stands out. That's the first thing to help you get those first 50,000 views on YouTube. Gotta get them to click. A title that hooks and a description giving them something, and we'll get more about that in a little bit. So the second way is to get the people to watch your videos. I've learned through studying and by uploading videos over time, we have to get those, once we get the click, they have to be there to watch. And one way that I've learned to do that is coming up with different titles, different ideas. What are people interested in? How do I know? I know because I know that there may be someone who is a mirror of ourselves. Always remember that. Your vibe is going to attract your tribe. Those who are around you, they're probably someone who's into something that you're doing. Got to get them to keep watching for a certain amount of time. And one of the best ways that we can do this is to check our analytics. If you go in your back office, you'll see different analytics, watch time, impressions, how many clicks your thumbnail got per impression. As a matter of fact, leave me a comment and let me know if you are aware of your analytics. What's your favorite analytic that you like to use? It'll tell us when certain people are dropping out or when they may click away. Your analytics will always show you that. The second thing that has helped me is to make sure that my analytics is right, to make sure that when people do click in, they're watching for a considerable amount of time. Before I get to number 3, just want to show some love to all my subscribers, all of you all who've been taking time to view my videos. If you're new, great music, entertainment, inspiration, motivation, hit the subscribe button and join the family. So the third thing that I've learned to help me to get those first 50,000 views on your channel is to make what they call evergreen content. That's content that will be around year after year, never losing its value. Think about what you can do on your channel. What can you do? What do you like to talk about? Content that will be around no matter what the season, no matter what the time. That's considered evergreen content. How-tos, secrets of, tips and strategies. I've got one called How to Know You Found Your Purpose, How to Know You Found True Love, How to Get More Views on YouTube, How to Get Your First 65 Subscribers. Remember that one? We talked about that one. So if your content and if your format supports it, evergreen content is a great way to get those views, because what that's going to do, it's going to give your videos the opportunity over time to accumulate the views, which will get you more watch time according to the system. And you can do it. You can make it happen today. You can do that. I've got some extra bonus points, some tips, extra strategies that I want to share with you. But before I do that, if you've enjoyed this so far, hit that like button. The algorithm signal will let others know this video, OMG, this video. Hit it, let them know it's worth watching if you hit that like button. So the first extra tip that I want to share with you, it relates to that first topic that we talked about, getting them to click. Remember, that's the first step in getting your first 50,000 views. It involves not just the picture of the thumbnail, but the title and description. And what I've learned in my journey is to be as clear and precise as I can with that description. Make it so that a human can understand it. We know that the algorithm and the computer system is reading it, but we also want to add that human element. So keep that in mind when you're coming up with your titles and your description. The thing that has helped me in my journey is to make sure that my titles and my descriptions complement the thumbnails to get them to make that click. So that's very important. The second extra bonus point that I want to share with you when it comes to getting those views that you know you need, those first 50,000 views, take some time to watch your own videos. You can take the time to sit back and watch and see if you would be able to enjoy it from an outside point of view. What I do, I take the time whenever I create my videos, I like to watch them from an outside point of view and ask myself, would this be something that I could enjoy? Where would I click off if I was watching this video? What excited me about it? What's interesting about it? What's gonna keep me watching this video? Even though you created it, and I know it's somewhat difficult to see yourself on the outside, sit back and watch your content. That's one thing that has helped me. I sit back and I watch my videos. Not only will that help to get those first views out there, it'll get you those first few views and will also get the processing of those views. And you'll be able to say, is this something that I could enjoy? Because if you can enjoy it, somebody else will enjoy it as well. And the more people enjoy it, the more impressions you'll get by the computer system. The more people click on those impressions and watch your video all the way through. That'll give you more watch time, which will get you more views. I had to make up in my mind. I had to go that first year. I had to go 1 year. I made up in my mind I was going to go 1 year no matter what. Even if nobody watched my videos, I went that first year. Maybe you're watching this right now and you've been through some ups and downs. Let me know in the comment section how long you've had your channel. Let me know what's your greatest challenge right now. You can learn from my mistakes and avoid those pitfalls. So let me know in the comment section. Leave me some comments. Some of you just need to decide if this thing is for you. I put together this playlist right here. It includes 5 powerful signs to just let you know, is this YouTube thing for you? Before you say I'm done, before you throw it all away, watch those videos. They will empower you and inspire you. And I'm excited to be a part of that. So check out those videos. See me over there. Stay blessed. Stay positive. I'll see you on the next level. Peace.